The 2026 football season of the Shillong Sports Association was formally launched on Thursday at the SSA ground in Shillong by Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Wailadmiki Shylla, SSA President Banteidor Lyngdoh, officials, players and football enthusiasts were also present at the program. The Chief Minister officially declared the season open and hoisted the SSA flag. Addressing the gathering, Conrad Sangma praised the efforts of the Meghalaya Football Association and SSA in promoting football in the state and reiterated the government's vision of making Meghalaya, particularly Shillong, the football capital of India. He stressed the importance of investing not only in infrastructure but also in players, coaches, leagues and grassroots football to create opportunities for youth across the state. Conrad Sangma also announced financial assistance of Rs 32 lakh from the Chief Minister's special grant for the successful conduct of the 2026 football season. Earlier, SSA General Secretary Dipshon L. Nongri thanked the government for its continued support and informed that the previous grants had helped the association successfully organize all 5 divisions of its football league, including women's and grassroots tournaments. The opening match of the season was played between Mongyangla Youth Sports Association and Shylla Sub FCC following the ceremonial kickoff.
Of opening the football season 2026 of the Shillong Sports Association. Wailadmiki Shylla ipong ila kara jersey number nyo. Dengan tunai bikin himun bopau hatin ju isar Wailad bopong number nyo mo. Akaju kaporu akan pat I President Johnny bin Soha ban ai ya kemimen tu kum kadak kajing somu ya menteri ramba ajuni ya kajing kulut museum.
Once again, I wish all the teams the very best. In the first year, when the SSA had come and requested for support, I had sanctioned 28 lakhs from my Chief Minister's special grant. Last year, somehow the budget went up and I sanctioned 30 lakhs last year from my CMSG for this particular league. And this year also the budget has again gone up. So now the amount has gone up even more, but I may not be able to give all the amount that they require. But with my tradition of supporting a bit more compared to last year, so last year I had supported with 30 lakhs. I'm happy to announce that I will be giving 32 lakhs this year to SSA to conduct this particular tournament in a successful manner. My only request is please invite me for some games also, so that I can also watch some of the wonderful football out here. So once again, I thank all of you. I again congratulate SSA and also congratulate our Honorable Minister, the President of the MFA. And once again, I wish all the teams that are present out here the very best for the tournament. Please remember, winning and losing is a part of game and a part of life. What is important is how you perceive the game. What is important is what you learn out of it. What is important is how you come out of it. How you dedicate yourself. How you work hard. How you discipline yourself. And how you become a good sports person who will accept victory and defeat in the same humble manner. And that is really what the sportsman spirit is about. And I think that is what the larger message as a government is what we would like to give the youth of our state. That we would like sports to be part of every single youth's life. Not because each one will become a superstar, but because sportsmanship is a very, very important part of every single student and youngster's life. Once again, wish the SSA and wish all the clubs the very best. Thank you very much.
Many of our own people from the state have gone to serve at the national level through the All India Football Federation in various capacities. Hakani ujiyo kapor menta, ngapin paru kejing sumu, ngapin kong, aingu yung bulay hakani kapor menta, iyo kanya doba hakani kapor, kasi kapor menta.